Are your knees making weird popping sounds? Let's talk about what it means and how to fix it. What's causing it? In most cases, it's harmless gas bubbles in the joint fluid. But if there's pain or swelling, it might be a meniscus tear or cartilage damage. What can you do? Strengthen those thigh muscles with squats or lunges. Strong muscles mean less strain on your knees. Think about your weight. Extra weight puts pressure on your joints. Dropping just 5% of your body weight can improve knee health. Painful noises? Don't wait. Consult a specialist. Ignoring persistent symptoms can lead to long-term damage. Your knees deserve some love. Keep them healthy for a pain-free future.